My name is Steve Barfus. I'm a research professor here at the Utah Water Research Laboratory. What we're looking at here is the testing of valves and flow meters. Municipalities and engineering consulting firms will come to us from all over the world to ensure that they are working properly. The hydraulics lab is unique to other hydraulics labs. We're able to run 230 cubic feet per second through the laboratory, so we can run the entire Logan River through the building many times of the year. This is a typical scale physical model of a spillway and dam. We build and run these physical models so that we can understand how to fix certain hydraulic problems before they actually build the structure. So one of the exciting things, if you're a graduate student or an undergraduate student working here at the hydraulics laboratory, is you have hands-on experience that allows you to learn by actually doing things. It's one of the reasons that our students typically have many job offers when they graduate here, because they are experienced in hydraulics.